Today, 17th day of February 2025, at the grounds of Watoto Church, Gulu City, we happily launch the operation of the Dero Kwan scholarship.
Here, here. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
This has been entirely out of the hands of the Acholi people, high and low. Those who have something and those who nearly have nothing. The Acholi people have made contribution in their varying capacities. The names you see here are of 59 Acholi children who, without this support, without this scholarship, would be faced with the high possibility of ending their education, of terminating the pursuit of their dream. We have one more to be identified. There will be 60. So we're starting this scholarship
60
with 60 deserving Acholi children. People whom we believe, when supported, tomorrow they'll stand where we are standing today. Take charge of the affairs of our people. To continue to give hope of a meaningful future to our people. My appeal to our people, our friends, our well-wishers, that this, in our determination, in our unwavering resolve, must be only the beginning.
Only the beginning.
Ours is a journey of 1,000 miles. This is just the one step, the first step to the attainment of the 1,000 miles. We have no doubt in our minds that this time both the spirit and the flesh are willing. They converge. I thank you all. I thank you, the leadership of the 8 districts and the city of Gulu for all that you've done and you continue to do to lead our people out of the abyss we find ourselves in, to give hope to our people, because I know together we will triumph. We'll get out of where we are. In a not distant future, you boys will be recording the correct place of the Acholi sub-region in the education ranking list, because we are determined to recapture the position we held before hell broke down here. The position we were famed for, the educational position which was second to none. We'll recapture that in a not distant future. With this type of resolve, nothing, no impediment will be insurmountable. Together, we will triumph. Together, we will triumph.